I remember the nightmare of waking up to a flooded laundry room right before a big trip, desperately pulling soggy clothes from a broken washer. Finding a replacement that fits small spaces, dries efficiently, and doesn't cost a fortune feels impossible. Between confusing specs and hidden installation requirements, choosing the best LG washer-dryer combo is a massive headache. Today, I'm sharing the top models to solve your laundry disasters. But one specific machine completely changed my routine forever. Let's find out which one. 5. LG WM3998 HBA. Testing the LG was my introduction to the all-in-one washer-dryer combo world. I installed this 4.5 cubic foot front-load machine, hoping it would save massive amounts of space while handling my demanding weekly laundry loads. It boasts LG's turbo wash technology and steam cleaning capabilities, which sounded like the ultimate solution for removing tough stains and refreshing heavily worn garments. I was extremely eager to experience the luxury of throwing in dirty clothes and pulling out fully dry outfits without ever having to physically transfer them between different machines. During my washing tests, the performance of the WM3998 HBA was genuinely impressive. I ran several loads containing muddy workout gear and heavily soiled bath towels, and the built-in steam function efficiently dissolved stubborn grime while completely eliminating lingering odors. The machine utilizes a dedicated internal water heater to drastically boost wash temperatures, making it a powerful tool for anyone battling seasonal allergies. Moreover, the 4.5 cubic foot capacity proved to be quite spacious, easily accommodating a king-size comforter and a full week's worth of everyday clothing without any cramming. Unfortunately, using this appliance daily quickly exposed some incredibly frustrating drawbacks. The most agonizing issue I dealt with was the absurdly long drying time. Because this model relies on a ventless condenser drying system rather than a traditional hot air exhaust, completing a full wash and dry cycle literally takes hours. I frequently found myself waiting the entire afternoon just to finish a single load of laundry, completely destroying any time-saving benefits I had hoped for. Furthermore, my clothes regularly came out feeling uncomfortably damp, forcing me to hang them around the house to fully air dry. 4. LG WKX 300 HBA. Moving on to the WKX 300 HBA, I was excited to try this stacked wash tower design. This setup combines a 5.0 cubic foot front load washer and a massive 7.4 cubic foot electric dryer into one sleek, vertically integrated unit. My initial impression was heavily focused on the brilliant center control panel. Instead of stretching to reach the top of a traditional stack dryer, all the digital controls are conveniently located right in the middle. I found this ergonomic design incredibly comfortable to use on a daily basis. The washing capabilities of this tower are undeniably robust and highly efficient. During my hands-on testing, the Turbo Wash 360 feature delivered an exceptionally thorough clean in surprisingly short amounts of time. The smart, easy-to-spin system was another huge highlight. It automatically measures and dispenses the exact right amount of liquid detergent and fabric softener based on the load size. I loved being able to pour a whole bottle of detergent into the reservoir and completely forget about it for weeks at a time while the machine handled the math. However, my extended time with the WKX 300 HBA highlighted some rigid limitations that you simply cannot ignore. First and foremost, because this is a completely unified single appliance, you completely lose the flexibility of replacing just one half if something breaks down. If the washer suffers a catastrophic mechanical failure a few years down the line, you're forced to replace the perfectly functioning electric dryer as well. This all-or-nothing design creates a massive financial risk that honestly made me quite nervous during my evaluation. Additionally, installing this towering behemoth was an absolute nightmare. 3. LG WKX 200 HBA. Next up is the WKX 200 HBA wash tower, and this model started shifting my perspective toward a more positive laundry experience. This iteration features a 4.5 cubic foot washer paired with a 7.4 cubic foot electric dryer, offering a slightly smaller washing drum, but maintaining that beautifully integrated vertical aesthetic. I immediately noticed how quiet and balanced the machine felt during operation. Even when spinning heavy loads of wet denim at maximum speed, the entire tower remained completely stable without the annoying rattles you often get from traditional stacking kits. What I truly appreciate about this specific wash tower is its implementation of LG's advanced AI technology. The built-in sensors do a remarkable job of detecting the texture of the fabrics and the exact weight of the load, automatically adjusting the wash motions and water temperatures to prevent unnecessary wear and tear. I intentionally mixed delicate dress shirts with rugged sweatpants, and the machine handled the diverse fabrics beautifully. The steam function gracefully relaxed stubborn wrinkles in my work clothes, significantly cutting down the time I usually spend standing over an ironing board. Using the ThinQ app integration with this model actually felt useful rather than just a gimmick. I loved receiving instant notifications on my phone the exact moment a cycle finished, preventing my wet clothes from sitting and developing that awful musty odor. The app also allows you to download specialized wash cycles for specific items like swimwear or heavily soiled sports uniforms. The dryer performed admirably, consistently delivering perfectly dry clothes without scorching the fabrics, thanks to its precise moisture sensors that stop the cycle exactly when needed. 2. LG WKH C202HBA. Testing this ventless heat pump model was an absolute revelation. It features a 4.5 cubic foot washer and a 7.2 cubic foot dryer, but the real magic lies entirely in its dual inverter heat pump technology. Because this dryer doesn't require a traditional external vent to expel hot air, I was able to install it in a hallway closet that previously could never accommodate a dryer. The sheer installation flexibility this ventless system provides is an absolute game changer for modern homes. I was initially skeptical about how well a heat pump dryer would actually perform, but my testing completely shattered those doubts. Unlike the dreadful condenser model we discussed earlier, this heat pump system extracts moisture incredibly efficiently while drying clothes at significantly lower temperatures. This gentle drying process not only dramatically extends the lifespan of delicate fabrics, but it also uses a fraction of the electricity compared to a conventional vented dryer. I saw a noticeable drop in my energy consumption, which is a massive win for any household budget. The washing performance is equally top tier, featuring the phenomenal Turbo Wash 360 system equipped with 5 powerful variable spray jets. These jets penetrate deep into the fibers, delivering a stunningly deep clean in under 30 minutes for average-sized loads. The Allergen wash cycle was another standout feature during my testing. It utilizes intense steam to effectively eradicate pet dander and dust mites. Knowing that my bed sheets and pillowcases were being scientifically sanitized gave me incredible peace of mind, especially during peak allergy seasons. Beyond the stellar performance, the automatic drainage system of the heat pump completely eliminates the tedious maintenance usually associated with ventless dryers. Equals 1. LG WM6998HBA. This machine completely redefines what a washer-dryer combo can actually achieve. Featuring a massive 5.0 cubic foot mega capacity drum and an inverter heat pump system, this single sleek unit handles the entire wash and dry process flawlessly in as little as 2 hours. When I first tested this beauty, I simply loaded my dirty clothes, pressed a single button, walked away, and returned to perfectly clean, perfectly dry garments. The sheer convenience of the true wash and dry workflow cannot be overstated. By completely eliminating the physical step of transferring wet, heavy laundry from a washer to a separate dryer, it fundamentally changes how you manage your day. I intentionally started a massive load of thick bath towels right before leaving the house to run errands. When I returned, instead of finding a soggy mess waiting to be dried, I opened the door to warm, fluffy towels ready to be folded. It is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it appliance. LG truly solved the lint nightmare that plagues older combo models with their brilliant Easy Lint filter design. Located conveniently right at the top of the machine, it captures lint flawlessly during the drying phase. During my daily testing, cleaning, it was as simple as sliding out the cartridge and effortlessly wiping away the dry lint, completely identical to a traditional dryer experience. Furthermore, the built-in AI technology flawlessly analyzes fabric textures and load sizes, automatically tailoring the water temperatures and drum motions to ensure absolutely flawless, damage-free cleaning every single time. What solidifies this model as the ultimate winner is its phenomenal energy efficiency paired with its plug-and-play installation. Ultra. That's all for today.